If you think having a will is all you need for your estate plan, you might be setting yourself and your family up for a lot of stress. Without the right plan in place, the court, not you, will decide who gets your assets, who raises your kids, and even who makes medical decisions for you if you couldn't do it yourself. And I can tell you from experience, it's not something you want to leave to chance. I'm Stephen Howitz with Zimmer Rens. I work with people just like you every day to protect what matters most: your family, your assets, your wishes, and your future, both during your lifetime and after you're gone. I wanted to have this conversation with you today because a lot of people think they're covered just because they have a will or maybe a trust. There's a big difference between that and having a real comprehensive estate plan. And if you wait too long, the decisions you wanted to make might get made by someone else entirely. Why everyone needs an estate plan? Here's what I mean. If something happens to you and you don't have a plan in place, your family could end up in probate. That's the court process where a judge decides who gets what from your assets. That process can take months, sometimes years, and cost thousands in legal fees. If you have children, the court could choose a guardian for your children without your input. Your assets could be frozen until the court permits them to be released, and you're alive but unable to make decisions for yourself. No one can just step in. Your loved ones don't have standing, and it might have to go to court to start a guardianship in order for them to be allowed to help. A proper estate plan avoids all of that. It makes sure that your wishes are clear, your loved ones are protected, and that the people you trust are the ones making the important decisions for you. When I say estate plan, I'm not talking about a single piece of paper. I'm talking about a set of comprehensive documents and instructions that work together like a safety net. Sure, a will can be part of it. That's where you say who gets what and who should handle things after you pass, but by itself, a will won't keep you out of probate and it may not achieve your goals. That's where trusts come in. With the right trust, we can often avoid probate entirely, keep your affairs private, make sure that the things you wanted to happen actually happen how you intended. Then there's your power of attorney. This is something most people overlook. It's probably the most important document in any estate plan. A financial power of attorney lets someone you trust handle your matters if you can't. This could include bill payments, management of your mortgage, and any other household expenses. A healthcare power of attorney ensures your medical wishes are honored even if you're not able to speak for yourself. Without these, your family may be stuck waiting for court approval to act when every minute and day matter. We'll also talk about things like your beneficiary designations on life insurance policies or retirement accounts, because those override your will and potentially any trust. If you have children or loved ones with special needs, we'll need to make sure guardianship and long-term care plans are in place. And here's the thing, your plan isn't a one and done. Life changes. Marriage, divorce, kids, new property, changes in the law, and life happens. I always suggest to my clients that they review their estate plans every 3 to 5 years. That doesn't mean change it, but just make sure it's still right for you and your family. It's always best to keep things updated. At the end of the day, this isn't just about who gets what. It's about protecting the people you love from unnecessary legal battles, stress, uncertainty, and fees, and giving yourself peace of mind knowing that your wishes will be honored even when you're gone. If you've been putting it off, now's the time to get it started. I can help you put every piece in place so that your plan works exactly the way you want it to when it matters most. Let's make sure that your family never has to worry about what you wanted, or fight to make sure that happens. Call me today and let's start building your estate plan together.